Hello, my name is Laura. I live in my van that I converted myself, and I travel with Snuffkin and my two guinea pigs. So why don't you join me on my adventures? Here on my channel, Destination Unknown. Hello, I'm in Cambridge, just having a look around like the university and all the old buildings. So I'm gonna try and show you some cool stuff today. I wanted to go to Oxford, but it was like impossible to go and park there, so I came to Cambridge instead. that I just filmed, a little apple tree in the grass, is literally Isaac Newton's actual apple tree where, you know, the apple fell on his head and he came up with gravity, like the concept of it. I didn't actually know that that was here. That's pretty cool. So behind me is like one of the big unis in Cambridge, and the church, but loads of it's closed. Even the churches, like the big ones, they're like closed today. So yeah, that's me done. And most of the schools are closed to visitors today, even though you're supposed to be able to go around or maybe like pay, but it's like just closed today. So oh well. Didn't see the bridge of size that I wanted to see, because that's like hidden around a corner that you can't get to like publicly. So yeah. The size of it.